We often wondered who else's words Mr. Gilmer was afraid his witness might employ.
Well, the night of November 21, I was coming in from the woods with a load of kindling, and just as I got to the fence, I heard Mayella screaming like a stuck hog inside the house.
Here Judge Taylor glanced sharply at the witness, and must have decided his speculations devoid of evil intent, for he subsided sleepily.
What's wrong with you, Miss Ewell?
Just before sundown. Well, as I was saying, Mayella was screaming, fit to beat Jesus.
Another glance from the bench silenced Mr. Ewell.
Yeah, she was screaming.
Oh, Mr. Ewell looked confusedly at the judge.
Well, Mayella was raising his holy racket, so I dropped my load and run as fast as I could, but I run into the fence, but when I got disentangled, I run up to the window and I seen...
Mr. Ewell's face grew scarlet. He stood up and pointed his finger at Tom Robinson.
I seen that black ant yonder rutting on my Mayella.
So serene was Judge Taylor's court that he had few occasions to use his gavel, but he hammered fully